Hello, my grade 10 students. I am really blessed to be in this class with you all. So, I'm going to tell it every day. So, children, welcome to Geography's third chapter, which is water resources. So, children, in this lesson, we are going to learn something very important. This is also an important NCRT may get questions. So, NCRT full form, I already told you, and all this stuff, don't ask me. NCRT important chapters. So, this one we are going to write it as NIC. Okay. So, children, what does this chapter have that much that NCRT is so interested in this? We'll learn. So, children, first, what source does water come from? What causes water scarcity? Why is the need is there? Major dam purposes or multi-purpose projects. So, traditional methods of rainwater harvesting. So, let us understand the water resources of water. Fresh water can be obtained directly from the precipitation, sun surface runoff, and groundwater. What salt water can be obtained directly from the sea and ocean. So, what are they trying to tell us in these two lines? Means they are telling that we can directly, as you can you see the photo here? Yeah, we can directly get water from this, groundwater, and they're telling that we can directly obtain salt water from the sea. So, next one is the causes. What is scarcity means? Famine, children. Do you know what is a fem? That is not famine. That is famine. Famine. This is famine. This is famine. That is famine. Famine. Famine means like wanting equal opportunities for both women and men, which we already have come across in our civics. The availability of water resources varies space and time mainly due to many variations in seasons and annual precipitation. Sometimes it hot, all the rainwater is boom, chal gaya. Sometimes it's overexploited. So all the waste is thrown into the river and all this stuff. Excessive use and unequal access to water among different social groups. So you're in that color, I'll not give you water. You're in this group, I'll not give you in water. All these things because of all these things. So is it possible that an area or region may have ample water resource but is still facing water scarcity? Means are they having so much water, much? So ample means much. So cities, like for example, water scarcity may be outcome, but greater demands for water are unequal. So yeah, they have water, but they have unequal access. So so many large population means it needs much water, right, students? So it needs much water because for washing clothes, right? For washing clothes, for food, for making yummy yummy things that you like. So it needs to, for example, if there is a large population, increase in population, we need all those stuff. So for agriculture also we need. We don't need this slide, children. This is about the scarcity, which is also for about the bad quality of water. For example, we have our beaches water, which is salt water, which is not good for health, and that. So, how are dams? What are dams? And how are they helping us in conserving and managing water? See, children. Okay. See, dams are actually traditionally built. It impound rivers and rainwater that can be like today days. They're not just built for irrigation. So these are not just built for irrigation, but also electricity purpose. It might be water supplied for domestic and industrial uses, flood control, recreation, so many things, children. Dams means not only just for amma, it's for irrigation, ammo, it's just for irrigation. No, dams are used for irrigation, but also many more, children. dot 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 etc. So that is how it means. See, dam is actually a barrier, children. It will not let this, like these dams are there like this one. So the water which are from the rain will come like this and it will drop to the bottom. So rainwater are also coming like this and it will drop to the bottom, children. So that is what they refer in the chapter meaning. So like in many years, we know there is multi-purpose for these large dams. They came to get scrutiny and opposition for various reasons. So it is making difficult for aqua fauna to migrate, especially for spawning. So like that. So this is another one. Here we'll just know one more thing. It induced earthquake caused by the waterborne diseases and pest pollution from resulting in the excessive use of water. So we also need to know the traditional method how to harvest this rainwater in ancient India. So what they used to do means they used to make like this a closed compartment, as you can see here. This color is not visible, children. Yeah. So they used to make this closed compartment like this. All the rainwater which has come, they will be here. Slowly this rainwater will go from here and it will come into the rainwater storage. What has the rain fell in this will come into this storage tank. It is used for sand filterization, means if sand is there, it is removed and again it is into the main tank. So it is made up of concrete and it is into the pump. When you pump it, it will come into again into the tank and again it will come into the ground floor. So this is potable because it is mineralized. So that is the meaning. So let us know an interesting fact. Tamil Nadu is the first state in India which has made rooftop rainwater harvesting culture structure compulsory to all the houses, as we already talked in the above structure. So these there are legal provisions to the to punish the defaulter. So I had a wonderful time teaching you guys, and I hardly it's the time we have to talk goodbye. And this is a full lesson coverage, children. This coverage, if you have liked it, please drop a like, share, and subscribe below. Bye.